Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Thank you for joining us for our update on business advisory services. And today I'd like to talk to you about expert status for accountants. For many, many years, accountants have basically earned their expert status from taxation, audits, and insolvency activities. Some accountants have achieved an expert status relative to financial planning as well, especially over the last 20 to 30 years. But we now are living in an era where a new key product package is emerging for accountants known as business advisory services. And it's going to be very important for accountants to have achieved expert status within the supply of business advisory services and chief financial officer services. So how do accountants go about emerging as an expert in these relative new areas of endeavour for the majority of accountancy firms around Australia? I acknowledge straight away that there's always been some specialist firms around Australia, and indeed some of them are clients of ESS BIZTOOLS, who have concentrated on the delivery of what we now know as business advisory services. But for the vast majority, this has not been the case. But hopefully that is now changing, that more and more firms are going to at least do more than a couple of % of their fee income as business advisory services. So where will you emerge with an expert status? I think those accountants are going to be ones who are able to prove that they have been able to dig down into what's happening within a client's business, that they understand the costings, they understand how the industry works. And because of that, they've had confidence to write articles to the media or social media, to participate in seminars and webinars, and to be closely involved with their clients, supplying a virtual service so that they are making this chief financial officer role very important for SMEs that are wanting to scale up their business operations because they value the input that an experienced accounting person can contribute. That's the practice, I think, for emerging with an expert status, to work at it, to clearly understand what's happening in the business, and also to encourage other people within your accounting firm to become champions of various components of the business advisory services jigsaw puzzle, because there are a lot of services that could be supplied. And if you're going to fully embrace this, you need to be across most of them. If you would like to receive a copy of our new white paper, Diversifying Accounting Services Why, please go to our website, www.essbiztools.com.au/white paper, and you will be able to access that. Have a great day. Goodbye.